This assessment asks us to predict the enamine that will form between the reaction of the secondary amine and the ketone. Now, it's a long mechanism, so I don't want to go through it in its entirety, but I do want to get to one intermediate that we would make in this process. And at some point, we would have formed the following iminium ion. Now, if we were reacting with a primary amine or something like ammonia, this intermediate here would be neutral and the reaction would be over. But in the case of this reaction, we have, because we started with a secondary amine, we now have a positive charge on this nitrogen. So we need to quench or get rid of that positive charge. The way that's going to happen is the proton that is next door to the iminium ion is somewhat acidic. And so some base in solution, for example, the secondary amine itself, if we were using it in excess of the amount of HCl that's present, can come in and remove that proton to make the new carbon-carbon double bond and push electrons onto nitrogen. So that the enamine product we make in this reaction is as follows.